radiator frame with the radiator, evaporator, hydraulic cooler, and the aftercooler. We've been selling some of these when a guy runs into something, smashes the whole front of it. And the shroud's bad on this one, so shroud doesn't count. But the radiator looks good. I think we're gonna include a couple of these tubes. Cooler looks good. It's got some of the signs of hoses laying against it. We're also gonna leave these hoses on, I think, because if you run into something and smash, you're gonna have to have them anyway. There's a little dark spot here, but we didn't find any issue with it. Don't know if it was oil or what. There was also a little spot right here on the aftercooler. No signs of leaking, but we wanted to show it anyway. And so this is coming off of a running, driving tractor.